Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Brave Shield's extensions and reset site data. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Brave Shield's extensions and reset site data, start by launching the Brave browser. Click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the browser. Select Extensions from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the Extensions page. Here, you will see a list of all installed extensions. Locate the Brave Shield's extension you wish to uninstall. Click on the Remove button next to the extension. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Remove again to confirm the uninstallation. Next, navigate back to the main browser window. To reset site data, click on the lock icon located in the address bar. A drop-down menu will appear showing site permissions. Select Site Settings from this menu. You will be taken to the settings specific to that site. Scroll down and find the Clear Data section. Click on Clear Data to reset all site data for the selected site. Return to the main browser window again. Repeat these steps for any other sites or extensions as needed. You have now successfully uninstalled Brave Shield's extensions and reset site data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.